poet Rabindranath Tagore, Kashir Desh, the land of cards.
Performed by the talented students of classes 2 to 5. It's a story that celebrates freedom, imagination and courage.
Let's witness how creativity breaks boundaries and art liberates the soul.
Once upon a time, on a lonely island far away, lived the king, queen, aces, and knaves, the proud people of the kingdom of cards. This was a strange land, shining and still. Each card had its rank and position. No one questioned anything. No one disobeyed. They called it peace, but it was only silence.
Every card has a place. The aces above all, the twos and threes below. Everyone moved by rule and stopped by rules.
Rule number 1, no talking.
Rule number 1, no talking. Rule number 2, no laughing. Rule number 2, no laughing.
Rule number 3, follow the rules.
Rule number 3, follow the rules.
Ace of spades, are all citizens following the rules?
Yes, Your Majesty. No one has smiled for 50 years.
Excellent! Our kingdom is peaceful. No sound, no chaos.
Your Majesty, even when they fall, they make no noise.
Wonderful. No quarrel, no excitement, only peace.
The great ocean crooned its lullaby and the island slept. The people of the kingdom believed this lifeless stillness was happiness. Away across that same ocean, there was another kingdom where the free people lived together, ate together, and worked together.
তুমি তো সে ঘর হাত আমি তুলে কাঁদি কান ভাই মনো মানদান ভাইও 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 শৃঙ্খলে বারবার ঝঞ্ঝন ঝঙ্কার নয় তো তরণী ক্রন্দন সংকার বন্ধন দুর্বার সচ্ছন হয়ে জনবল করে ভাইও ভাই মনো মানদান ভাইও ভাইও ভাইও
A young prince lived with a sorrowing mother, a queen forgotten by her people, but the prince's heart was not sorrowful. It was full of wonders and restless dreams.
My son, why do you sit by the sea all the day?
Mother, I dream of far off land, flying horses and hidden treasure. Dreams are not caged within the four walls.
The world is vast, my son, but be careful. The sea is wide.
Still, I must go, mother. One day, I will return and end your sorrow.
Prince, my studies are done. I am selling to find fortune.
Then, I will go with you. And I shall join you too. Then, let's go together. Let's go together. Let's go together.
Mother,
I'm now setting out on my travels to seek my fortune. When I come back once more, I shall surely have found some way to remove your sorrow.
যাবই আমি যাবই
See, adventure!
যাবই আমি যাবই লক্ষ্মীরে হারাবই যদি অলক্ষ্মীরে পাবই যাবই আমি যাবই
the south wind blew and the ships sailed away as fast as their hopes. They filled their ships with coral, sandalwood, and ivory until a storm rose from the deep.
The waves swallowed 11 ships. Only one survived. The ship carried the prince and his friend. And when morning came, the soul ran. Strange, bright, silent, the kingdom of gods.
এলিম নতুন দেশে এলিম নতুন দেশে তলায় গেল ভগ্ন তরি তুলে এলেম দেশে এলিম নতুন দেশে এলিম নতুন দেশে
চলো নিয়ম মতে চলো নিয়ম মতে চলো নিয়ম মতে দূরে পাখিও নাকু আর পাখিও নাকু চলো সবার পথে চলো নিয়ম মতে চলো নিয়ম মতে চলো নিয়ম মতে চলো নিয়ম মতে চলো নিয়ম মতে
The new arrivals step ashore. Everything is silent, too silent. Rows of carts turn their heads together in slow motion, staring at the strangers.
Outsider, without friends,
What class do they belong to? Sport card or common number?
silence! We must form a committee of rules.
The guards whisper stiffly. They open a giant rule book.
Each card shall move according to its plan. But no rule is written from its majesty. Then we must wait until the rule appears. What's this, people? Maybe they are ghosts. Let's see if they are alive. It's forbidden. It's locked up. Yes, nothing. Right, what? What strange power is this?
The guards had never heard such a sound. Their rules had words for silence, for standing, for bowing, but none for joy. Something new had entered their island.
তন যৌবনে বিদ্যুৎ আমরা চঞ্চল আমরা অদ্ভুত আমরা নূতন যৌবনে বিদ্যুৎ আমরা বেড়া ভাঙি আমরা অশোভনে নানা রেশায় রাঙি জঞ্জাল বন্ধন চিহ্ন করে দিই আমরা বিদ্যুৎ আমরা চঞ্চল আমরা অদ্ভুত আমরা নূতন যৌবনে বিদ্যুৎ
As the song rose, the guards began to sway gently. One claps, another laughs. It is small at first, but it is the first spark of freedom.
Wall Street, across A Square, rang the strange, unheard sound of laughter, and the silence of centuries began to crack.
Days pass. The strangers live among the cards, but they do not follow the rules. They laugh, talk, and wander freely. The cards stare at them with wonder, and slowly curiosity replaces fear.
Why are you not moving according to the rules? Because that is our icha, our own wish.
A soft murmur spread. Icha passes from one card to another.
Icha? Who is Icha? Icha is freedom, the right to choose. They start turning around, laughing, bumping into each other playfully.
And the air changed. The cards began to see new colors, new shapes of life. They realized that choice, Icha, was not danger, but discovery.
For the first time, the kingdom of cards felt alive.
One afternoon in spring, when the air was soft and the sky golden, the Queen of Hearts stepped to her garden. From afar, she looked at the prince laughing among her people.
Who is this prince who smiles so freely? She's not a painting, she's alive. Wait, sorry. No mistake. From today, I am your name. This is
The queen comes back to her garden. The prince bows, and for the first time a smile lights her face.
The queen had broken her silence, and with it, the heart of a whole kingdom. Bring out the flutes and drums. Let there be music and laughter. But your highness, the rules. From today, the rule is no more rules. With my heart, I choose you, my king, and I choose life and love. Then let joy rule this kingdom forever. Long live Icha! Long live Icha! Long live freedom! Long live freedom!
বন্দি কানমন হোকু ধাও মান ভেঙে দাও মান ভেঙে দাও মান ভেঙে দাও শুকনো গাঙে আসুক জীবনের বন্যা রুদ্রম কৌতুক শুকনো গাঙে আসুক ভাঙনের জয়গান গাও ভাঙনের জয়গান গাও ভাঙনের জয়গান গাও জীর্ণ পুরাতন যাক ভেসে যাক যাক ভেসে যাক যাক ভেসে যাক
আমরা শুনেছি ওই মা বই মা বই মা বই
Far across the sea, the sorrowing mother queen heard the laughter and smile.
দুঃখ তাহারে
Her